Hello dear students, once again you are welcome in this online class of English literature. So today we are going to discuss chapter 3rd from First Flight. First part, His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty. So before starting this chapter, we will have discussion about writer. So who is Liam O'Flaherty? So Liam O'Flaherty was a significant Irish novelist and a short story writer and a major figure in Irish literary renaissance. तो लैम फ्लेहर्टी आयरलैंड के एक बहुत ही मशहूर राइटर हैं, उपन्यासकार हैं और जो आयरिश पुनर्जागरण काल है उसके एक बहुत ही बड़े साहित्यकार हैं. He was a keen observer of sea life and he believed that man has lot to learn from nature. And Liam O'Flaherty is also nature-loving man, writer, who always being attracted towards sea life. In most of writing of Flaherty, you can find out sea life, and he also mixes nature, animal being and birds being with human being. That's why he is a very famous writer of parable. He has given a human touch to the seagull's plight so that the reader is reminded of the nervousness he too might experiences before doing something new. So in this chapter there is a story about a seagull who faces so many problems while taking his first flight. He faces nervousness and so many difficulties while taking his first flight. In the same way, when we take our first step to do any new work, we always face so many problems. So that's why here writer has mixed up so many experiences of human being with the nervousness of seagull. So let's have a look at model lesson of this chapter. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of a small baby who is getting his first step to move, to run. While taking this one, he has to face so many problems. So many times he has to be fell down. So every step in life needs courage and self-confidence. Whenever we start any work, we always needed courage and self-confidence. जब हम कोई भी नया काम करते हैं, पहला कदम हम जब उठाते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें साहस की ज़रूरत होती है, आत्मबल की ज़रूरत होती है और अपने ऊपर विश्वास की ज़रूरत होती है. If you don't have courage and self-confidence, then failure will be always in your way. तो आपके रास्ते में फेलियर ज़रूर मिलेगा, आप ज़रूर विफल हो जाएंगे. इसलिए पहला कदम, पहला इनिशिएटिव लेने के लिए आपको करेजियस होना चाहिए, साहस होना चाहिए आपके अंदर, और साथ ही साथ आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस भी होना चाहिए. To cover a distance of 100 miles, we have to take a first step. To cover 100 miles, first step is very important because this decide our future. 100 माइल्स का जो रास्ता होता है, सफ़र होता है, उसे कवर करने के लिए हमारा जो पहला कदम होता है, पहला इनिशिएटिव होता है, वह बहुत मायने करता है, वही आपकी उस मंजिल के सफ़र को तय करता है। In this story, the young seagull was afraid of flying. So this is a story about a new young seagull who is strengthening his wings but unable to take his first flight due to fear. There is a fear who always makes his wings more and more weaker. That's why this seagull always find himself unable to take its first flight. और ये सीगल जो है अपनी पहली उड़ान भरना चाहता है, लेकिन उसके अंदर एक डर पैदा हो गया है, वेदर ही कुड टेक हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट और नॉट, क्या वह उड़ सकता है या नहीं उड़ सकता है। उसके अंदर एक डर की भावना पनप गई है। इसी कारण वो अपनी पहली उड़ान भरने में बहुत ही समय ले रहा है, वो डर रहा है, भयभीत है। He lacked confidence. On the other hand, he is also lacking confidence. He was fearful of the vast expanses of sea beneath him, and he was also very fearful how to start his first flight, because before him there was mighty sea spread out. So this was the fear of expanses of the sea which makes his body tremble before taking his first flight. तो उससे अपनी पहली उड़ान भरने से पहले उसके अंदर उस विशाल समुद्र का जो विस्तार होता है उसके अंदर एक भय भर देता है कि क्या वह उस समुद्र को पार कर पाएगा कि नहीं। That's why he always find difficulty while taking his first flight. He thinks many times to take his first flight, but at the final stage his courage, his confidence begin to shook. He was not trying. His parents, his brothers, his sisters tried their level best to encourage and boost his morals. So this was the fear of expenses of the sea, lack of confidence, which was making him timid. डरपोक उसे बना रहा था, उसके अंदर साहस नहीं था, उसके अंदर आत्मविश्वास नहीं था। इस कारण वह डरा हुआ था, सहमा हुआ था। That's why he decided not to make his trying. और उसने ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि मैं नहीं कर सकता, इसीलिए वो अपना प्रयास भी छोड़ चुका था, उड़ने का प्रयास नहीं कर रहा था। His parents, his brother and sisters tried their level best. On the other hand, his brother, sister, parents, they encourages him many and more, and they also boost his morale. But in spite of all these, he was rigid not to take his first flight because he has no confidence upon himself. वो उड़ना तो चाहता था, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो डर समा गया था वो उसे डरा रहा था कि क्या मैं वो उड़ पाऊंगा। उसे अपने पंखों पे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था, लेकिन उसके फादर, उसके भाई, उसकी बहन उसके अंदर साहस भर रहे थे, कई बार उसे प्रोत्साहित करते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी वो अपनी उड़ान नहीं भरता है। But he failed to collect courage. Every time, whenever he tried, always his courage, his confidence always befell. He was very hungry, but once upon a time he was very hungry. On the other hand, his brother, sister and his parents, they were soaring high over the sea and they were enjoying fish. He tried to attract the attention of his family members. So this was the hungerness, this was the thirst, hunger, which was making that seagull to take his first flight. They were driving him, but the fear of the expenses of the sea was befalling him. That's why he wanted to take the attention of his family. Please help me, otherwise I will die with hunger. वह चाहता था कि उसके परिवार के लोग मदद करें, अन्यथा वह भूखों मर जाएगा। लेकिन वो प्रयास छोड़ देता था, उड़ने का प्रयास ही नहीं करता था, क्योंकि उसे अपने पंखों पर विश्वास नहीं था, उसके अंदर आत्मविश्वास नहीं था और साहस की कमी थी। Only his mother felt pity on him. Nobody have shown any mercy, any pity upon him except his mother. Nobody helped him except mother. As we know, mother is always our survivor. They always well wish about our health, about our future. That's why this was the mother only who was helping him, but she taught him a lesson in the process of giving food. He was so hungry, he wanted food. Mother was ready to give him food, but she also wanted to taught him a lesson in his life. She tempted him to drive on the food and fly. And she, by showing the food, encourages this seagull to make effort and to snatch away this food and to have a fly, to have a first fly. और उसे इनकरेज करती है, उसे टेम्प्ट करती है कि तुम यह भोजन लो, अगर तुम उड़ोगे तभी यह भोजन मिलेगा, अदरवाइज तुम्हें भोजन नहीं मिलेगा। The intelligent act of the young seagull's mother prompted him to make his first flight. So this was the action taken from the mother of seagull, which prompted him to make his first flight. By showing the food, she encourages the young seagull, and she also motivated him to please take your first flight and to have this delicious food, otherwise you will die with hunger. I am not going to give you any more longer, I am not going to support you any more longer. You have to do yourself, you have to take your first flight, and by taking this your first flight you can take this food, this delicious food. So in this way the mother of the seagull promoted him and also stimulated the boost of this young seagull to take his first flight. Ultimately, your own efforts could lead us to the path of success. In everyone's life, first of all, we have to face such kind of problems, such kind of fears, such kind of lack of confidence in our life. Whenever we wanted to start any new work, whenever we wanted to take any new initiative, we have to face so many problems. So in the same way, the young seagull was also facing difficulty while taking his first flight. At the end, the young seagull could fly because he himself made an attempt, and finally the young seagull, due to his mother, was able to take his first flight. So in everyone's life, we have to take decision ourselves. Nobody is going to help you except you, because you know yourself very well. That's why make confidence in yourself, make yourself something courageous to take risk in your life, because only you can understood yourself, you can realize your power. Nobody is going to help you. So there was the same situation with the young seagull, and finally the seagull has taken his first attempt to take his first flight, and he was successful. In this way, he enjoyed the delicious food and a company of his parents and brother and sisters. So let's have look at the summary of this chapter. His first flight by Lime of Flaherty is a true parable. पैराबल जैसा कि मैंने बताया, ऐसी कहानी जिसमें जानवर पक्षियों को इस प्रकार से अभिव्यक्त किया जाता है मानो कि वह इंसान हो, तो इसे पैराबल बोला जाता है. बट ओवरकमिंग फियर्स इन लाइफ. सो दिस इज अबाउट द फियर which always we face while taking any new step in our life. These are the fears which are very common. Everybody, whether human being, whether animals being or birds being, everybody have to face these fears while taking their first step into their life. So every journey of 1,000 miles begin with बट अ सिंगल स्टेप. हमारे जीवन के जो हजारों मील की यात्रा होती है, जो सफ़र होता है, वह एक सिंगल कदम से होते हैं, लेकिन वह पहला कदम निकालना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है. उसके लिए साहस और आत्मविश्वास की ज़रूरत होती है. बट दैट सिंगल स्टेप इज़ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट वन टू मेक, एंड दिस वन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट स्टेप we always take in our life. For this one we have to be something courageous, and we must have self confidence. Both these are very compulsory to take first step in our life. Conquer the fear and ventures forth, and we realize that we were born with wings. To convince, to make ourselves something, face fear, we have to conquer it by making ourselves something bold, courageous, and by making confidence in ourselves, and we realize that we were born with wings. So in this way we can also face any tough situation of our life. We can also take any initiative in our life by taking risk, by taking ourselves courageous, and by taking confidence in ourselves. The young seagull looked down desperately at the vast expanses of sea that stretched down beneath his legs. He was hungry. His parents had flown away along with his brothers and his little sister, leaving him alone on the rock without food. So there was a young seagull who was getting newly wings, but he thought that my wings are still weaker. They have not such a power to cover the wide expanses of the sea. That's why this young seagull was getting fear to take his first flight. Even though he wanted to stitch down his wings, but at the final stage he always got the same fear how to cover this vast huge ocean. He was hungry. तो एक यंग सीगल था जो कि समुद्र की विशालता को देखकर वह इतना भयभीत हो चुका था कि वह अपनी पहली उड़ान नहीं ले पा रहा था. वह पहाड़ी के आखिरी छोर पर बैठा हुआ प्रयास करना चाहता है, लेकिन उसके अंदर अंततः एक डर समा जाता है और उस डर को जीतने के लिए उसे काफ़ी मुश्किल फेस करनी पड़ती है. हिज पेरेंट्स हैड फ्लोन अवे अलॉन्ग विद हिज ब्रदर एंड हिज लिटिल सिस्टर. और उसके पेरेंट्स और उसके भाई और बहन वहाँ से सभी उड़कर चले गए. लिविंग हिम अलोन ऑन द रॉक विदाउट फूड. और उसे उस पहाड़ी पे अकेला छोड़ देते हैं बिना किसी भोजन के. वो भूखा था लेकिन उसकी कोई मदद नहीं करता है. वे सभी वहाँ से उस पहाड़ी से उड़कर चले जाते हैं। दे कुड ऑल फ्लाई एंड ही कुड नॉट, एंड दे वर एबल टू take their fly, but this young seagull was unable to take his first flight. That's why he found himself on that same rock without food. He had tried several times to run forward to the brink of the lace and flap his wing. Even though he tried so many times to accompany them by taking his first flight, but the same fear always makes his body something fearsome. At the final stage, he always fell down and befell not to take his first flight. So he was certain that his wings would not support him. उसे यह आभास हो रहा था कि मैं जब अपनी पहली उड़ान भरूंगा तो मेरे ये पंख जो कमज़ोर हैं, अभी मजबूत नहीं हैं, वह मुझे उड़ने में सहायक नहीं होंगे। हिज पेरेंट्स हैड ट्राइड काउंटलेस टाइम टू मेक हिम फ्लाई। उसके पेरेंट्स जो थे उसे अनेकों अनगिनत बार जो है उड़ने के लिए मोटिवेट करते हैं, बट इन फ्रीफुलनेस, व्यर्थ में, कोई प्रभाव नहीं होता उसके ऊपर, बिकॉज ही इज़ लैकिंग सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड करेज। बट फॉर द लाइफ ऑफ हिम ही वुड नॉट मेक एन अटेम्प्ट, but every time he makes try but always fell down because of lacking courage and self-confidence. He felt that he was going to starve to death on his legs, और उसे एहसास होने लगा कि इसी पहाड़ी पे उसकी मौत हो जाएगी, वो भूखों मर जाएगा, क्योंकि उसके गार्जियन, उसके पेरेंट्स वहाँ से चले गए थे, कोई नहीं था उसकी मदद करने के लिए, और वह भूखा था और उसके पंख इतने कमज़ोर उसे महसूस हो रहे थे कि वह वहाँ से उड़ नहीं सकता था, अपनी पहली उड़ान नहीं भर सकता था, क्योंकि वह डरा हुआ था समुद्र की विशालता को देखकर। इवन हिज मदर वॉज नॉट लुकिंग एट हिम, शी वॉज टीयरिंग अ पीस ऑफ फिश विद हर बीक। ऑन द अपोजिट rock, he saw that his mother was also not looking at him. She was tearing pieces of fish with her beak. That sight of food maddened him. और वह देखता है कि सामने सुदूर पहाड़ी पे उसकी माँ बैठी हुई है, जो मछली के टुकड़े कर रही है अपने चोंच से, लेकिन वह उसके ऊपर कोई ध्यान नहीं दे रही है और उसकी भूख ने उसे पागल बना दिया। He cried at her, but she just screamed back mockingly. As soon as he saw the fish in the beak of his mother, he began to cry, oh mother, please help me, otherwise I'm going to die with hunger. Please help me. But no responses was from positive response from his mother. On the other hand, she was mocking at him by screaming back. और उसके तरफ से कुछ भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता है, उसका वो मजाक उड़ाती है स्क्रीम करके। Suddenly he felt the joy seeing his mother approaching him with food, and after some time he saw that his mother is coming nearby to him with food, but she halted. और वह अचानक देखता कि उसकी माँ उसकी तरफ आ रही है फूड लेकर, लेकिन अचानक वो रुक जाती है। कीपिंग द फिश जस्ट आउट ऑफ हिज रीच, मैडन बाई हंगर, ही डाइव्ड एट द फिश। और उसके सामने वह रुक जाती है, उसे वो मछली का टुकड़ा नहीं देती है। एंड दिस वॉज द फूड विच maddened him. This was the hunger which was driving him to jump back to take his flight, because he has not any option एक्सेप्ट टू टेक हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट, दैट्स वाई फाइनली ही डाइव्ड एट द फिश। और अचानक वह डाइव कर लेता है, अपनी पहली उड़ान भरने के लिए तैयार होता है, क्योंकि उसके सामने मौत थी। अगर वो डाइव नहीं लगाता तो अपनी पहली उड़ान नहीं भर सकता था। बट हिज मदर फ्लू अपवर्ड एंड ही स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग। लेकिन उसकी माँ भोजन लेकर, वो मछली का टुकड़ा लेकर और दूर ऊपर उड़ जाती है। Monstrous terror seized him as soon as the young seagull has taken his first flight. Then suddenly a monstrous terror seized over his body. जैसे ही वो अपनी पहली उड़ान भरता है और समुद्र की तरफ वो देखता है, तो एक विशाल समुद्र का जो भय होता है उसके अंदर समा जाता है। He felt that I am totally paralyzed. Due to fear, he was totally paralyzed. He was unable to understand why there is not any energy left into his body. He thought that I am just like paralyzed. His wings were not working properly. He realized that he was flying. He was born to fly and he had made his first flight. But again and again, he tried his best to get upward. And after some time, by making his effort, he realized that I can take my flying. So he finally realized that I was born to fly and he had made his first flight. In this way, finally, after many effort, he overcame the fear which was making his body, his wings, something paralyzed. But finally, he convinced it, overcame it, and was able to take his first flight. So, this is about the chapter we have learned today, how we always have to face so many problems while taking our first initiative, while facing our first step in our life. तो हमें हमेशा अपने जीवन में कोई भी नया काम करते हैं तो इस पक्षी की तरह, जैसे कि वह नवजात पक्षी था, इसके पंख कमज़ोर थे, वो अपनी पहली उड़ान भरने के लिए उसे कितना संघर्ष करना पड़ता है, उसी तरह से हमारे जीवन में भी होता है। कोई भी नया काम हम करते हैं तो हमारे अंदर एक डर समा जाता है, और उस डर को जीतने के लिए हमें अपने आप पे विश्वास होना चाहिए और अपने आप को धैर्य बताना चाहिए, साथ ही साथ हमारे अंदर साहस भी होना चाहिए। सो दिस इज द मोरल स्टोरी, moral lesson we have got from this story. To take our first flight, we have to make ourselves something enable to do that one by making confidence in ourselves. So we have completed the summary of this story. Are you all ready for a small quiz on this lesson? बच्चों के आप सभी लोग तैयार हैं जो हमने अभी तक पढ़ा? तो क्या आप आंसर देने के लिए तैयार हैं? सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द यंग सीगल अफ्रेड ऑफ? जो यंग सीगल थी उसको क्या डर सता रहा था, वह किस बात से भयभीत था? यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड, व्हाट डज हिज मदर डू टू फोर्स हिम टू फ्लाई? उसकी माँ जो होती है, यंग सीगल को उड़ाने के लिए क्या करती है? वो कैसे उसको मोटिवेट करती है, कैसे फोर्स करती है? थर्ड, व्हाट लेसन डू यू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस सिंपल स्टोरी? थर्ड है कि इस स्टोरी से आपको क्या सीख मिलती है? प्लीज राइट डाउन इनटू योर नोटबुक एंड गिव योर रिस्पॉन्स. Fourth, why do not his parents, his brother and sister gave him food? चौथा है कि क्या उसके माता पिता, उसके भाई बहन उसकी मदद क्यों नहीं करते, उसे भोजन क्यों नहीं देते? Whether they were cruel to him or something. Fifth, have you ever found yourself in situation which you were supposed to do something for the first time and you could not muster up courage to do it. क्या आपके जीवन में भी ऐसी कभी मौका आया, कभी ऐसा समय आया जब आप कोई काम करना चाहते हैं, कोई नया कदम उठाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आपके अंदर भी वह साहस नहीं आ पाता है? अगर ऐसा है तो आप इस आंसर को लिखें. यू हैव टू try to do all these questions based on this story. So dear student, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will have got all the meanings. Thank you once again.